Welcome to BSC Fashion, an online shopping portal of BS Channabasappa Sons, powered by TBITS India. Installing light version mobile app for Android and iOS. On Android phone, open the Chrome browser and search for BSC Fashion. Click on the link which shows bscfashion.com or click on website icon. By doing this, you will be navigated to our exclusive online shopping portal. To install the mobile app, click on the burger icon and select Add to Homescreen. Now, click on Add. Chrome will now install the light version mobile app for you. Now let's open it and see how it works. Congratulations, you have now installed BSC Fashion on your mobile. The coolest part about this app is, all updates are automatically loaded by default. On your iPhone, open Safari and go to bscfashion.com. Now, click on Share icon. Select Add to Homescreen. Click on Add. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping at BSC Fashion.